Next number, for what response is continuing professional education installed for every professional teacher? Tuwing kailan kaya tayo nagko-continuing professional education? Or bakit? Ano ba yung sinasagot nitong problema or challenge? Is it letter A, B, C, or D? 10 seconds once again, go. Number 9, again, for what response is CPE or CPD, Continuing Professional Development? Bakit tayo nagsi-CPD? By the way, kung ang CPD is ina-update natin yung sarili natin sa kung ano yung meron or sa kung anong meron sa ating career. Bakit natin kailangang i-update ang sarili natin? Ano bang meron kapag nag-update tayo? Merong bago. Tama, teacher? So that's the way you analyze questions, ha? You create semantic map in your head. Ang sabi dito, continuing professional education, continuing professional development. Bakit natin ginagawa sa career yan? To get updated. Tama? Why do you update yourself? Another branch of idea? Kasi nga may mga bagong ganap. 'Di ba? Hindi ka naman mag-update ng sarili mo kung puro luma yung ganap or puro previous yung ganap. Tama? Puro yung ganap ay nasa past na. That's why you update yourself because there are new trends and reforms. Okay? That is continuing professional education. So sana nagigets niyo kung paano magsagot, ha. That's another technique how to how to answer questions, especially questions that parang nahihirapan ka or questions that you are confused with kasi parang lahat naman ay tama.